Welcome back to the channel, everybody, and welcome to 2022. Yep, that's right. This is the first build of 2022, and it's going to be iconic. It's going to be the Richard Petty Superbird. We're going to paint this bad boy light blue. We're going to put some dark blue steelies on it, and we're going to put some fresh decals on it from Second Chance Redlines, and we're going to make this beautiful car sing. We have these decals from Second Chance Redlines, and they're supposed to be for this car, so we're going to put them on there, and we're going to see what they look like. Hopefully it's going to be as gorgeous as I think it's going to be, and hopefully just as iconic. So, stick around. Alright, I got the car drilled apart. We're going to go ahead and zoom out first. We're going to pop the bottom off because it's still snapped in there. We want it to fit tight. And here's the base. These wheels will just pop out with these little clips right here, and we'll put some fresh steelies on here with some real router rubbers. Here is the interior. It is blue. We might paint this black. I don't know. It's kind of funny. It has an engine in the front of it, but there's no opening hood. So let's also work on another car. Who knows, right? We might paint the seats black just to see what they look like. And here's that fresh, clean windshield. Well, it has a small scratch in it, but it'll be alright. I got this car used from a friend. So, yeah, it's probably going to have a few scratches in it. But I really do like the flames on the side here, and it says Daytona in the back. But I have some of the General Dollar orange ones, but I couldn't find them. I have so many boxes of cars around here, I just can't find anything. But this one already had some scratches on the top, so I said, I'm going to go with this one. It's not going to hurt anything. It has the iconic wing on the back for the Superbird. And we're going to dress it up after we dip it in some citrus strip, degrease it with some super clean, and get this bad boy ready for paint. And we're going to be using some Testors light blue. Kind of looks like grabber blue from back in the day. I think it'll be epic, so stick around. Alright, we're back from paint. Got it painted a nice beautiful light blue, petty blue, whatever you want to call it. The paint, it's a rattle can paint. It's Tester rattle can. It didn't go on the best that it could have, but it turned out okay. It's got a nice shine to it, so that's good. Put it in the toaster oven for 2 cycles of 20 minutes at 165 degrees to cure the paint. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put the decals on now and start bringing this car to life. I painted up some rims that we're going to have to make some axles for. They're steelies. They're supposed to be blue steelies on rubber tires. They're usually Goodyear tires, but I don't have any Goodyear decals, so we're going to go with what we got and see how it turns out. So let me get the decals out, cut them up, and we'll be ready to go in a second. I'm done with the decals. I'm going to try and hurry through this, so please forgive me. It's New Year's Eve, and they're going nuts outside, and there's a break. like an hour before midnight, and it's kind of quiet. So let's do this before they go mad again. I have all decals on the car. I had some little decals that go on the front right there. On his car, he actually had little 43s for the taillights. And this was back here on the back quarter and said Plymouth by Petty. So it's not era accurate, but it's very similar and looks very good in my opinion. And I'm going to enjoy this one. On the base, we added the steely wheels that I had. I painted them blue to match his car, and I painted the tail lights, or the tail light section right there. Right there is where he would have had 43 on both of them, like on the front, but we didn't have any of those, so we're going to skip that part. I went ahead and I painted the interior black because I think it'll look better with this car, so we're going to go with that. And the windshield is the windshield. We didn't do anything yet, so let's go ahead and do an assembly on this car where the fireworks start. We want fireworks, but we want our own fireworks, you know what I mean? Alright, here's the windshield. It just fits right down in there. And then the interior goes on that front post and goes in like that. Looking good, looking good. Alright, here's the base. The base just gonna snap right on there. Oh my. The only thing missing is the Goodyear tires. Sweet. Looking nice. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Criticize, whatever you gotta do. Yeah, look at that back end, that blue lined up perfect. I'm glad I did that. I just wish that if that said Plymouth by Petty, I'd have put it there, but it actually doesn't. It barely fits here, let alone there. But that's the way the decals were designed, so that's the way I left it. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to pop a couple of screws in this, put it on the carousel, and put it on display for you. And then we'll be back with closing. Alright, we're back. We got the car screwed back together. This particular car, we used Sister Strip and we stripped it down. Then we used a little bit of Super Clean to degrease it. And we put a couple of coats of Tester's Light Blue on it. Turned out really nice. Almost matches Petty Blue perfectly. We put a set of steely wheels on, painted them blue to match Richard Petty's car. We got a nice set of decals from Second Chance Redlines and put on here to bring this car to life, and I think it turned out pretty good. I'm really, really happy with it, and I hope you are too. This is a new year. This is 2022, guys. Well, for you it is. For me, it's still 2021, but there's only like 53 minutes left, so Happy New Year, everybody. How about do me a favor and leave me a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about the car in the comments down below. If you have any other questions or thoughts, you can also leave those down below. And if you're not subscribed, how about go ahead and hit that button and ring the bell for future notifications of great content like this. I notice a lot of people aren't subscribed, and my subscriber base has slowed down a lot. I'm very close to 4,000 subscribers, and I would really appreciate it if you would hit that button for me so I can reach 4,000 subscribers and bring 2021 to a close with a positive note for me. And it'll be positive for you too, because you'll get to see great content like this in the future. And make sure you ring that bell. On that note, I hope you guys have an awesome day, and I am out of here.